This is no ordinary XK140. Chassis number S807040DN, the 40th right-hand drive XK140 drophead coupe to have been built, is a true piece of Jaguar history. Once a show car for Jaguar in 1955, it was built to showcase the special equipment spec cars. From wire wheels to overdrive gearbox and the iconic spotlights, the SE specification cars were the ultimate of the XK range. Originally finished in Battleship Grey with a striking red interior and a rare gunmetal hood, this car was a showstopper in every sense. After its life as a show car, this XK140 was registered as FJX 450. The first owner, a port importer, journeyed across Europe in it, creating memories. Now, at Twyford Moors Classic Cars, this rare gem is undergoing a full nut and bolt restoration. Every detail is being brought back to life and extensively upgraded, ready to be finished to the next owner's specification. With performance upgrades like a fast road engine, 5-speed gearbox, disc brakes and electric power steering, this car is being built up to an incredible spec and can be finished in the buyer's choice of colour schemes. A rare opportunity to own a piece of Jaguar history built to your specification. The journey starts here. Will you write the next chapter of this Jaguar story?